Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And if you like this particular video, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. All those really do help out the channel a ton. So today's product I want to share with you is a real simple, cool product. It is by the Smithsonian, and it is simply a wave machine. If you've never seen one of these things, they are super. That is basically it. Like I said, pretty straightforward, cool little product. If you are in the market, I guess, or you find this really interesting, like I said, there is a link in the description. You can check it out for yourself. Feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do love hearing from my viewers. And before you go, be sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. All those help out the channel, allow me to continue to make awesome videos. And that is it. So until the next one, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.